always knew why I'm feeling so oddly blue. Is it about my love, or the stars fall way above? Someday they disappear, even now they're bright like a chandelier, looking up the sky, and I don't know why, feeling oh so blue. The red sky turns